No.
Mud. Shall we ask for something? Yeah, but she is Greek. Do you have some nice pictures? Yeah. Also pictures?
Yes.
Or are you filming?
Yeah.
Can we have
Also
one?
video and picture together.
Nice. But shall we get one? I want to fix my hair. Yeah. No!
What?
Oh, that's my shirt. I wanted to do it on a t-shirt, but it's my t-shirt.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Mita, je is klauwen.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Yes.
Not fired.
No.
No, we're
I think we'll be
professionals.
fired from our job
Yeah.
if we stop.
Okay, new row. Jesus Christ, miss. Ah, this was so unnecessary on my yellow
Some
shirt.
of them are very hard to do.
No!
Some of these are hard.
Later.
Huh?
Swap positions.
Đó á vơi, tại nó
Do
tìm
you want to
biết
go
quá
this
ơi.
side?
What means this? I think you also need a...
No, I'm okay, thanks.
I don't know you, so he will do
Oh,
that's
yeah.
rude. Why is it rude? I don't know him, right? I don't know how you will respond to if you get aggressive. Maybe he will hit you and know what she will do.
Maybe I'll try.
No, stop! Now it's
No,
done.
no, there was no one.
Okay. Otherwise I send you down. Send you down to the
I think
ground.
we're starting to do a really bad job. Well, I am.
Is it bad?
A little bit.
Too deep?
No, that is almost far on the side. You have to put this straight.
Okay, a bit more down.
More straight up.
Yeah, like this is just water, no mud.
So deeper then.
You have to pull the mat inside because that is where you full step.
Mud around it.
Yes, put the mat inside.
Right.
It's yours that are not straight. Oh, I love mud. But maybe we should start another straight line. Yeah, but also first fix the... Yeah. Is it better now?
Yes,
You say what's wrong? Which one? This one.
yes.
This one?
This.
This?
Yeah. Other than no. Okay. Just keep continue.
No, we'll fix it. Okay, and then we make a straight line. Okay. So you are here, so then here.
First, you have to stop first and this.
So you have to wait for me, guys. No, or for. No, you have to wait. Yeah, you start. Yeah, she said you have to start for me. But there's less mud here. Okay, we have to take this out because me.
Where's not mat, there's wait before you put your foot on. So you have to move the mat inside. You move the mat inside first and then you plant.
Yeah. Yeah.
Do you want to take these?
So these are one line.
Do you want to take these?
Yeah.
I'm going to take some photos.
Now better?
Yes.
I'll be the water buffalo.
You be the water buffalo, yeah. Oh, my foot is exposed. Okay, first the mud.
Oké, dit gaat daar, ja.
Ja, maar ik ben eerst even dit rijtje van hem aan het fixen. Hij was zo even
dit gaat daar, Anna. Ja, challenge zo.
Okay, so first mud.
So we've become farmers for the day.
Yay! Your rice, we planted it.
Yeah.
Maybe,
I'm the water
maybe
buffalo.
two rice things. But still.
Okay, I need to go round to take pictures.
Maar hier is het gewoon een
Hay à, họ tới lúc khán ta ấy nè cho chỉ lại họ mà ăn thảo được tôi này.
How do you think we're doing for a first time? Is it good now?
Yes, better now.
Nice.
Do I get down this way?
Yes.
Well, I'm coming around to take pictures of you both.
Great.
You two are too good at the job, so I quit.
Could you put two more one more here?
Oh yeah. I see.
Because that's too far.
Can you do that? Yeah. And one more here too, right?
Yes,
Just
and
one,
two more up.
three.
Yes,
And here
three.
one more?
Yes. Okay.
That's not even in a line. Yeah, but that's this. Oh, okay. And but we put some.
Planting rice.
We need
Planting
some there, right?
rice.
Oh, I almost fell down. Almost. I kind of used to do that with my grandpa, but then just in the garden. He would make a little hole and I could put in the beans. Yeah. Beans? Yeah, the green beans. We planted green beans. It is.
Oh, is it?
Oh, I like this one. Ik ga trouwens bij Friends Travel. Ik geloof dat er zo'n, je kan je was inleveren en dan krijg je het een dag later of zo. Ik hoop dat er niet meer. Ja, maar ik hoop dat ik in die 3 uur 1 wasje kan doen.
Nou, wij maybe giống gì rảnh oh.
Dat hoop ik, want ik kan op zich best wel veel kleding in het droge gooien.
Maybe cũng vào không mà lên tảng đâu.
Is it good?
Yeah, but
It's not good.
it's okay. But when you put the rice down, you're holding like this. Push
Yeah.
down. If you do like this, cannot stay. You have to
yeah,
do like
so
this.
you push it down like this. Like this?
No, like this. Okay, you put the rice. Turn the other side. No, the other side.
Like so, this?
Yeah, like what she doing. No, the other side. No.
Like this.
Okay, show her again.
Make it duck with your hand.
Yes.
Hey! Like writing.
Yes. See, it's easier. Cũng như không muốn lấy ô tô cầu cầu ta. Hết cho nó đọc ta ơi. Đọc ta.
Where are you? Where are you going? Oh, I don't have a camera. I could make